One rig to stream them all. Osee GoStream Duet Kit is the live-switching beast you didn't know you needed. Ready to level up your live stream game without a NASA budget? Meet the Osee GoStream Duet Kit, the all-in-one live streaming gladiator built for creators who mean business. This isn't some janky webcam workaround, it's a pro-grade switcher, mixer, recorder, player, and 14-inch monitor, all in one beastly compact unit. With 4 HDMI or SDI inputs, dual USB ports, and multi-view capabilities, you're not just switching angles, you're directing digital magic. Perfect for churches, schools, influencers, YouTubers, podcasters, and production teams tired of duct-taping setups together. If your current gear setup looks like spaghetti, the GoStream Duet is your tidy, sexy lifeline. Forget the 10-pound shoulder rigs and tangled cables of doom. This bad boy weighs a mere 5 kilograms and slides into your production life with built-in cheese plates for camera gear, mounts, and anything else you fancy bolting on. The 14-inch Full HD screen is crisp, responsive, and built right in, so ditch the extra monitor and save your ports for real work. No fans screaming like jet engines either, just silent cooling, stable performance, and smooth operation. It's small enough for mobile gigs, powerful enough for studio setups, and cool enough to make your setup look intimidatingly pro. The power options? Ridiculous, in the best way. This kit rocks AC in, DC in, and USB power bank compatibility, plus a built-in 5-volt USB out so you can juice up your cameras or extra gear without a panic attack midstream. That's not just thoughtful, it's stream-saving. And with seamless integration into OBS, vMix, and Zoom, you're never stuck with almost works. This is plug-and-play streaming at its peak, no drama, no guesswork, no why won't this port work moments. Just crisp audio, clean video, and total control in a box that practically runs itself. While most rigs want you to buy 10 other things just to almost get the job done, Osee bundles it all. Switcher, monitor, cheese plates, pro-level input-output, and the freedom to expand however you want. You can mount it, stack it, strap it, your stream, your rules. And yes, it powers USB cameras while running Multiview, because of course it does. No need to buy accessories separately or pray it's compatible, this thing shows up ready to throw down. Osee's been mastering this game since 2001, and it shows in every weld, wire, and workflow. Compared to overpriced pro setups and janky DIY Frankenstein kits, the GoStream Duet Kit feels like a revelation. It's affordable, durable, tech-tested, and genuinely effective. Think of it as a portable production studio that doesn't ask you to mortgage your gear closet. Whether you're streaming a wedding, a sermon, or a weekly Hot Takes and Tacos Twitch segment, this rig keeps you looking sharp, sounding clean, and running smooth. It's built to make content creation effortless, with quality so tight you'll start questioning why you ever settled for less. TLDR, you bring the story. GoStream brings the firepower.